That's the question says. Find the truth set of the equation. Okay? We have to break it down stepwise so that everybody can understand. So this we have 5 raised to the power x minus 4 times 5 raised to the power x. Then we can say that this can be written as 5 dot 5 neg 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, now let's explain something. Here and here, this is the same as we saying that we have a multiplying a raised to the power negative y. Okay, and this, but indices, if we break this one down, okay, the answer to this will be a x minus y. In the same vein, 5 raised to the power 3 is given as 5 multiplying 5 and 5. And this, if we take our time and break it down, okay, break it down, this, we can confidently say this is 5 raised to the power 3. Isn't it? Fantastic. So all of you are clear with this. If that is the situation, then let's go back, let's continue. So by so doing, this implies that 5 raised to the power x minus 4 times 5 exponent x, okay, dot 5 neg 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. In other way, we can also say that this can also be written as 5 raised to the power x minus 4 times 5 raised to the power x all over 5 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Why am I saying that? Because this can be written in this way, can be written this 5 raised to the power x over 5. It is the same as 5 x dot 5 neg 1. Okay? Because this is the same as 5 x dot 1 over 5. By so doing, we can say that 5 raised to the power x minus 4 dot 5 exponent x divided by 5 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. So, to be able to simplify this equation in such a way that it will make it easy for us to sort it out, we have to multiply through by 5. So multiply through the whole equation, okay, by 5. Okay, so we want to get rid of the fraction, the denominator. So this means 5 is multiplying 5 to the power x minus 4. As we know, the 5 is going to cancel this. So we have dot 5 exponent x is equal to 5 exponent 3 times 5. Okay, and if we simplify this, we're going to get 5 out 5x minus 4 dot 5x, 5 raised to the power x, sorry, and this will give us 5 raised to the power 4. Why? Because we know if we have this, okay, it's the same as a times ay, which is given as ax plus y. That's why we have, because the 3 plus 1 will be 4. Okay, So that will make it easier for us to work now. Okay, so let's rewrite our equation back. Then our equation, now we know that finally we have 5 and 5 exponent x minus 4 into bracket 5 exponent x is equal to 5 raised to the power of 4. Are we all right? Now, by looking at the equation that we have arrived at, okay, like that, this equation is our confidence, because now when we look at this equation very carefully, you see that we have something that is very common to the equation. We have this and that, this and that. They all have exponent x. Okay, so what can we do? How do we solve this question? Well, if you, by inspection, we say by inspection, let 5 raised to the power x equals to capital A. Okay, so this equation is nothing than we are just substituting 5 raised to the power x to be equal to A. Then our equation finally will be 5 times A minus 4 times A equals to 5 raised to the power 4. Therefore, A is equal to 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, but this is not our answer. Why is it so that this 5 raised to the power 4 is the final answer? Because bear in mind that the question asks us to find the truth set of the equation. Okay, when it says 5, find the truth set of the equation, means we are looking for the values of x that make the equation true. Okay, so we go back and we realize that we said earlier that we should let 5x to be equal to A. So then we have to do substitution back into the equation. So if we do that, then, so by substitution, okay, then we can say that since we have 5x equals to A, and A is equal to 5 raised to the power 4, then we can say that 5 raised to the power x is equal to 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, please remember that by indices, one of the properties of indices, that says that if we have A raised to the power x, that equals to A raised to the power y, then this implies that x is equal to what? Y. And that is the scenario. Then we can say boldly that our value x is equal to what? 4. Then confidently we can say that the truth set of the equation is that it's such that x is equal to 4. It's the truth set of the equation. Okay, as simple as that.